just about done, and I'm going to go pick a few more here. Maybe. Now that's a different variety on that side. Well, can't do that. I can still snag a few more, but I'm going to put this bag down here. Probably not too many more left to fill that bag. Okay, I suspect we're pretty much done here. Come back. Can I sneak one more in there? I think I can. I think I can. Do. There. Okay. So now we go back and give the lady the ticket.
Yep.
And then what? And then we take this to the car and check the other ones? Check what else they have, or do we do this?
Well, they've got some produce on the way out of this one. Then we can go across the street to the barn and check that out.
Okay, still film. Thought I would give them room. You watch where you're walking, dear.
I try.
All right, you can turn that off. Yeah, the pears are $10 a bag.
Okay.
It's a lot cheaper than the apples. I don't think that they're from this farm, though. I think they brought them in.
Okay.
Okay, Mark. It's red lights on. Okay. Do you have a bag for me for the,
Oh, sure.
she was telling me just to grab a bag and grab my own.
So we use these bags here.
Oh, there they are. Okay. 10-pound bag for $10.
That's a 5-pound bag
For $10?
for $10.
Okay. I want the greener ones because they go right pretty quickly.
Can you go to the other side, please? You got me shooting into the sun.
And I've got a pretty big bin here to choose from. Some of these are going to go in the freeze dryers with the apples as well, eh?
Okay.
See, I'm picking the more green ones.
Yep.
One more, one more. Pre-picked Honeycrisp. Those are the Honeycrisp. No, it's got to be in the bags. That didn't take long, did it?
Nope. Oh, bag fell over, that's all.
Okay,
Pears are good. They're Bartlett.
yes, that's my favorite.
Yeah, they're good. I just had one this morning.
I take it they're not from this farm. You brought them in?
No, they're from here.
Oh,
They're
are
from
they?
Here. Yeah, we have Bartlett pears. We don't have them open for picking today because they're like in an orchard over there.
Okay.
We're probably gonna have them open on the weekend.
Okay.
We had a section of pears open earlier this year, but they're all picked out. Yeah, they were picked I think last night. And you pay over there.
Oh, I pay over there too?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy.
I've got buttercup, 10, a garlic, 1 part, 1 garlic, acorn squash, 1, raspberry jam, cider, a bag of pears. Cider, hold on, cider, a bag of pears. I know we're running out of hands here. And 6 corn. And how much is the small of the cream honey? 9.
I'll be back.
I'll take one of those. Why not, since I'm here. 51, please. Be MasterCard, please. Do you need bags for anything? That would be crate because I'm sure I'm going to lose something.
Bags
They're a little
bags
ambitious
are always
here.
nice.
Good for you, though.
Got to make the drive worth it,
Can
right?
you carry the rest?
I can carry. Do I have the honey?
Oh, the honey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The creams.
Cream?
Yeah.
Jillian, can I have some help? Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, Jillian's gonna come, okay? Thank you. I have to go back as general.
Is it just the pears today? Awesome, that'll be 10 then. Thank you. And then $10 is your change. The garlic's really good. Our neighbor grows it, and it's a Yugoslavian variety.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Okay, thanks.
Glad I grow my own garlic too.
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I turn her off? Now that's the kiddie thing.
Yep. The playground.
I think this is what you call a pumpkin patch. What do you think?
What's that?
Does it look like a pumpkin patch to you?
Yep.
Okay, we can go in the shop and see what they have. Straw bales. Yeah, I guess that's not bad. Corn stalks. Nice. That would be awesome for decor in the front of your home for the fall.
Yeah.
Mini pumpkins, 3 for $5. Might be good pie pumpkins, but they're kind of small. Those are the pie pumpkins. $2.50 each. But personally, I like doing butternut squash for pumpkin pie.
In the spring, you'll go through an Easter adventure. And Christmas time, a ride through a Christmas wonderland.
I think that's the exit over there.
Summer day wouldn't be complete without
I made that mistake the last time I went through.
and it's really the best way to see all of the farm.
And this is their entrance. Is the butternut squash $3 each as well? Hey, I spun the chore chooser, and it told me to clean the car, and now exercise.
Well, you can do both.
Yeah, I guess
Cleaning the car is exercise.
ready-made pies.
Second weekend of October. dog.
Yeah, okay. I have one of these. Actually, I have two of them. Did you want something sweet, like a butter tart, or
No, I don't eat sweet things.
You don't eat sweet things. You're avoiding sweet things.
Sugar makes you fat.
Oh, here's my chore chooser. I don't feel like cleaning the car, though. Ooh, vino. Raspberry and apple blend. Strawberry rhubarb. Black pearl. Now, hard apple cider would have alcohol in it, correct?
If it's hard, it has alcohol in it.
Did you want one?
Or warm.
Oh,
They've
okay.
got to be chilled now.
Okay.
Cost of the black currants would have the cost of the first would have. So if you went to the bottom now, it's 8.19 plus the bottom.
Oh, kitties get you on the way out.